तो सिल्वर भी तकरीबन ये समझ लें कि 50% जो है ना वो बढ़ गया हुआ है। गोल्ड हर आम आदमी की पहुंच से बहुत दूर हो गया है। आगे तो सिल्वर का देखें फ्यूचर है।
This is Fawzia Malik with Pakistan Connect, and today I'll be reporting on why the silver prices in Pakistan are on the rise, reaching record highs this year. According to the latest market data, the price of 1 gram silver has climbed to 463 rupees, marking an increase of more than 60% compared to last year. Experts say the surge is driven by a combination of global and local factors, including growing industrial demand, a weakening rupee against the US dollar, and rising inflation. Unlike gold, silver remains more affordable for small investors, which is why Pakistanis are now turning it as a safer investment and savings option.
रेट जो है ना सिल्वर 50% बढ़ गया और आगे भी और बढ़ेगा। जिसकी अगर कम इन्वेस्टमेंट है तो उसमें वो बेहतर ये है कि वो सिल्वर ही परचेज करे।
In markets across the country, jewelers say the demand has increased sharply over the past few months. Analysts predict that if inflation and currency depreciation continue, silver prices could rise even higher by the end of the year, making 2025 a shining year for silver investors in Pakistan.
हमारी जो काम है बेसिकली गोल्ड का है, तो आज का रेट ज्यादा होने की वजह से जो है ना वो 90% रेट की वजह से वो कम हो गई है बाइंग। तो अब लोग जो है ज्यादातर वो सिल्वर का पूछ रहे हैं। तो सिल्वर भी तकरीबन ये समझ लें कि 50% जो है ना वो बढ़ गया हुआ है। तो इस वजह से हम जो है ना उसको सिल्वर ही लोगों को कहते हैं कि अगर आपका बाइंग पावर इतनी है तो आप सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट करें।
Due to tensions and a prevailing stalemate, the Pakistan-Afghanistan-Turkmen border has been closed for 9 days. This closure has not only halted crucial trade activities between the two countries but has also severely impacted the lives of ordinary people. The suspension of trade and pedestrian movement at the Turkmen border has led to a massive increase in the prices of essential food items on both sides. The official statement tells one story, but the real impact is felt by the people whose lives and livelihoods depend on this border. Traders and transporter unions are urging for the border tensions to be resolved through meaningful dialogue. They consistently emphasize that this stalemate is not in the interest of either country and that sustained peace at the border is essential for regional prosperity.